Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see from the title of this video, today I'm going to be doing a makeup video.
I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch on my body, I get what I.
And in today's video, we are doing a festive look since Christmas is just around the corner. It's actually the 21st of December today, so Christmas is just 4 days away. So I thought I should come and do a makeup look that screams festive. And I haven't been filming a lot lately, but hopefully the new year comes with me rejuvenated and feeling more, motivated to film. But yeah, I just thought I should come on here and introduce this video to you guys. I will probably do a voiceover because my baby doesn't want to sleep and we are watching her cartoons right now, so that's probably going to interfere with my sound. If you are new here, my name is Mildred, and for those of you who have been watching my video, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. But before anything, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment for me in the comment section below, letting me know if you guys would like more makeup videos and if you enjoy this video, obviously. And if you are not subscribed, it would mean a lot to me if you would hit the red subscribe button below, and as well as the notification bell, so that you are notified every time I upload. And I feel like I have said enough for now, so I'm just going to go ahead and start with this video. So firstly, I made sure my face was freshly cleaned and moisturized. Make sure to do your skincare always. And then I'm going in with my favorite foundation right here. As you can see, this foundation does a good job for me. I was introduced to this foundation by a friend 2, 3 or maybe 4 years ago, and I haven't changed ever since. That's just how good this foundation is. As you can see, it's doing a really good job of covering my acne marks. And then I follow it up with this powder right here. It's also been my favorite since I came to the US, so 5-6 years ago maybe. And this powder just helps me with my oil production in the face. And then I proceed to do my eyebrows. I've done this in almost all of my makeup videos. I just draw my brows to perfection. Well, at least what seems like perfection to me, because you can never get perfect brows unless you are a professional makeup artist. Even those, I'm sure they do not get their eyebrows perfect all the time. But yeah, this is me trying to get the perfect brow, and I feel like I did quite a good job since I was in a rush, and I feel like these brows came out perfectly. And then I go in with this concealer to clean the edges of my eyebrows. I don't really like using light concealer to clean my eyebrows because it leaves that white cast that I don't like, but makeup girlies encourage you to do that. Apparently it makes your face look somehow, like it elevates your makeup look. So I just decided to try it on here, and I didn't like it that much, but it wasn't a train smash. As you can see, it doesn't look that bad, but it also doesn't look the way it would if I had just used a concealer that's similar to my foundation. And for blush, I've been loving this eyeshadow palette. I mixed the first 2 colors to create this fall kind of vibe, and it gives me really like a pretty makeup look. As you can see, it just elevates my face without even putting any contour or anything like that. And then I use the same shade on my eyelids to create this perfect eyeshadow look. And then for this look, I decided to go with a shimmery color. I really like applying shimmer on my eyelids, but for a makeup look that's basic, you don't really need to apply shimmer. But yeah, I was not going for basic here, so I decided to do shimmer just because it elevates the look. It ties everything together, so to say. As you can see, the color just lies on my eyelids, and that's why I love this eyeshadow palette. It's the Spanglish palette, if I'm not mistaken. I can't quite remember the name, but yeah, And then I go ahead and do my mascara. I don't wear false eyelashes, so mascara is always going to be my go-to. And now for the lips, this is the part that I always get wrong. I can never do a perfect lip combo, but I try, and I believe with practice I'll be able to maybe do something nicer one day. But yeah, I went in with this red shade, and then I paired it with this nude to achieve that look that I always see on Instagram, but it didn't quite turn out that way. Even though this one was not as bad as I usually do, I feel like it was not perfect, but it wasn't so bad. So as you can see, I'm just trying to blend the two colors together, and I wasn't really getting much out of this nude, so I had to switch things up a bit. You'll see in a second. I went in with this NARS lipstick, and I believe it did the job, even though I still didn't quite like the look. Anyway, I went in with this palette again to do my highlighter. Honestly, I feel like if you have a eyeshadow palette that has both nudes and shimmers, you can achieve a full makeup look, obviously without foundation and stuff. But yeah, I just did my highlighter with a brighter shimmer in the palette, and then I went ahead to spray this mist on my face. Always spray away from your face first before you can apply it to your face, just to avoid any problems. Anyway guys, I am done with my makeup look. That is me right there, all done. So that is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Let me know how I did. That's the look. Let me know how I did in terms of applying the makeup, and let me know if you guys enjoyed the video. As you can hear, my baby's calling for me. I need to go and tend to her needs now, and I really hope you enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to like it, leave a comment for me in the comment section below, and if you are not subscribed already, make sure to hit the red subscribe button below. And I hope you guys are enjoying your holidays. I hope you are enjoying the festive season, and I hope you guys go into the new year feeling festive and happy. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video.
You thought I was feeling you? No. That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body.